Class 8, Subject English, Poem 3.3, Truth, Chit-Chat and English Workshop. Chit-Chat. 1. Do we speak the truth all the time? Answer: yes. Most of the time, I try to speak the truth, but at certain times, I do speak lies. 2. Why do we tell lies? Answer: sometimes we tell lies to hide the truth out of fear. Sometimes we also tell lies to praise someone. 3. How can words hurt someone? Answer: words that we use hurt someone's emotion if they are not used carefully. 4. Why should we take care of using proper words while speaking? Answer: words not used properly may hurt other person's sentiments, emotions. To avoid such situation, we should take care of only using proper words while speaking. 5. How do we break a relationship? Answer: we break a relationship by using bad words to each other. Sometimes we also break it by telling lies, by hurting emotions and sentiments of our loved ones. 1a. Write down 5 things that make you very happy. For example, our team wins the match. Answer: 1. When I get gift from someone. 2. When I go for outing with family and friends. 3. When teacher praises in the class. 4. When I participate in any competition. 5. When my parents fulfill my demands. B. Write down 5 things that are hard for you to forget because they had upset you greatly. For example, my best friend quarreled with me. Answer: 1. My math teacher scolded me in front of the class. 2. My grandmother's death. 3. My friend insulted me at his birthday party in front of other friends. 4. On my way to school, once I saw some people were beating the dogs with sticks. 5. When I failed in maths for the first time. Question 2. Find from the poem 2 lines each that contain the following figure of speech. A. Alliteration. Answer: 1. Stick and stones may break my bones. 2. Stones and sticks break only skin. B. Repetition. Answer: 1. Sticks and stones may break my bones. 2. Stones and sticks break only skin. Question 3a. Pick out from the poem the synonyms of. Answer: 1. Injury, bruise. 2. Delicate, tender. 3. Age, scar. 4. Embarrass, mortify. 5. Curved, healed. B. Pick out from the poem the antonyms of. Answer: 1. Forget, opposite, remember. 2. Flat or straight, opposite, curved. 3. Make, opposite, break. 4. Raise, opposite, fall. 5. Outside, opposite, inside. Question 4. Answer in your own words with the help of poem. Write them in your notebook. A. What objects can cause injury to our body? Answer: the objects that cause injury to our body are sticks and stones. B. How do harsh and bitter words hurt the poet? Answer: harsh and bitter words are like slant and curved sword. They deeply hurt the poet's sentiments. C. What can heal faster, body or the mind, and hurt means emotions? Explain your choice. Answer. Body can heal from any scar faster than our mind and hurt because when our mind and heart get hurt, it disturbs us for a long time. It is quite difficult to come out of that trauma. D. Why are harsh words called ghosts? Answer. Harsh words are called ghosts because they hurt our emotions and the insult caused by words disturb our mind for a long time. E. What does the poet want you to keep in mind when you speak? Answer. The poet says that harsh language hurts our mind and heart, which lasts for a long time. So, the poet wants us to keep in mind to use very kind and gentle words when we speak. Question 5. Find the rhyme scheme of the stanza number 2 and 3. 1 is done for you. Answer. Stanza 1 rhyme scheme ABCB. Stanza 2 rhyme scheme ABCB. Stanza 3 rhyme scheme ABCB. Question 6. Just as words can hurt and leave a scar on the mind and heart, words can also heal a person in distress. Write in your notebook an experience of your own which proves that kind words relieve distress. Answer. Actually, I am very good in drawing. I participated in many competitions. I was failed in it in standard 7. I was totally in stress. My mother is my first guru. She relieves my stress and keeps stress at bay. She told me to keep cool and calm and said, believe in yourself. It is not the last exam of your life. You can give many such examinations if you think positively. She advised me, be confident and don't lose hope. I know your capacity. You can do better in future if you try your best. Only you can change your life. No one can do it for you. So leave your negativity and try again. Whatever comes, face it on your feet. Work hard and you will succeed. These words of my mother gave me inspiration and I tried my level best for the next exam and passed with flying colors. Question 7. Complete the following. Answer 1. The title of the poem, Truth. The poet of the poem, Barry Wed. 3. Number of stanzas, 3. 4. Theme of the poem, we should not say anything bad to anyone. We should use words carefully. 5. Rhyme scheme ABCB. 6. Figure of speech, alliteration and repetition. 7. The line I like, pain from words has left its scar on mind and heart that's tender. Question 8. Summarize the poem in short in your own words. Answer. Summary of the poem. The speaker of the poem, Truth, is Barry Wed. The poet is addressing this poem to the reader. The poet says that sticks and stones may break our bones and skin, but the harsh words that we use trouble a lot. The poet compares words with slant and curved sword, which pierce us deeply. The things like bats and sticks may hurt us physically, but harsh words that we use hurt our emotions deeply. Our physical injury can be healed easily, but the scars due to hard words on our mind and heart are very delicate and remains forever. So, we should use words carefully while speaking.